Here's another peacock. This is Pet's brother. His name's Strutter. And you can see he's into fancy footwork. He's like, okay, okay. Chase this girl. There's the hens right there he's looking at. Come on, Strutter. Let's see some more of that footwork. He don't have as much plumage as Pet does, but he makes up for it in enthusiasm. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but back over in that direction there's some wild turkeys, and they're in the mating season too. Peacocks and turkeys are kind of close related, sort of. This girl's like, what are you doing, taking videos? Come on, see that footwork. Hey, Strutter. I'm going to end this.